read a stock chart for beginners. Have you ever looked at a stock chart and thought it looked confusing? Don't worry, reading a stock chart is actually simpler than you think. Look at the price line. This line shows how the price of a stock moves over time. If the line goes up, the stock price is increasing. If it goes down, the price is falling. Stock charts can show price movement for 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, or even longer. Short time frames show quick changes, while longer time frames help you see the overall trend. Notice the trend. If the chart keeps moving higher over time, it's called an uptrend. If it keeps moving lower, it's a downtrend. Next, look at support and resistance levels. Support is the price level where a stock often stops falling, while resistance is where it struggles to go higher. Finally, pay attention to trading volume. Volume shows how many shares are being bought and sold. Higher volume usually means stronger market interest. Once you understand these basics, stock charts start to make much more sense. And remember, successful investors don't just follow charts, they combine charts with smart long-term investing strategies.